great heartbreak. I'm crossing off my...
I'm going to run over this dance a full wall with the words first, and then we'll do it again with the count. After that, we're going to break it down section by section so you can practice nice and slowly, and again with the words and the counts. Now, if you're on YouTube, you can use the chapters down below, or you can use just the scroll, the fast forward, rewind button. It doesn't matter how you're watching it. Have some fun with this one. Face the front with me. We're going to run through the first wall with the words and then the count. To start us off, we're going to have our weight on our left foot. We're going to do a little jump out, right, left, hold, sail a quarter turn, pivot half, turn half together, kick forward, back, lock, step, rock, recover your weight, quarter vine, behind, quarter half hitch, back sweep around, behind side cross, rock, quarter turn, half shuffle, rock back, roll forward 2 steps, left, right, shuffle to the side, behind, quarter turn, and then you're ready to start again, out, out. Weights on your left foot, we're going to jump out, and 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Weights on your left foot, we're going to jump out, right, left. We're going to hold with the weight onto your left, sail a step, making a quarter turn, so your right foot goes behind, behind, turn, step. Weight's now slightly forward on your right foot. Using your left, pivot half turn. We do a further half turn as you step your left foot together, and we're going to kick your right foot forward. Let's try that again with the count. Weights on your left foot, jump out, and 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For section 2, I'm going to face the front just for now so you can see what's happening, and then we're going to turn it around and face our 3 o'clock direction. End of section 1, you've just kicked your right foot forward. For section 2, we're going to do a lock shuffle back, back, cross, back. Weights on your right foot. Now using your left, we rock back, recover your weight. Quarter turn to the right, we're going to vine to the left, stepping side, behind, we do a further quarter turn, left foot slightly forward. Now on the spot, weight stays on the ball of your left foot. We're going to bring our right knee up as you make a half turn for the last count. It's a bit like a pencil turn or a little swivel turn, side, behind, quarter, and pick it up. We're going to try it again with the count. You've just kicked your right foot forward, end of section 1. We're locking back, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's face our 3 o'clock direction. This is where it's going to happen on the first wall. We've just kicked your right foot forward. We're locking back, back, cross, back, rock, recover, quarter vine, behind, quarter turn, and that hitch half around. Now when you hitch, we're not hitching it up into the air. We're keeping our right foot nice and close, ready to step back. Let's try it one more time. This time we're going to do it with the count. Right toe is forward. We lock back. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For section 3, you will be facing the 9 o'clock direction. Now again, we are just going to do it to the front so you can see what needs to happen. We'll do it with the words, then the count, and then we'll turn that 9 o'clock direction and do it one more time. Now you've come out of section 2, you've done your little hitch hook around. We step back on your right foot for section 3. Sweep your left foot around, and we're going to weave behind side cross, left, right, left. We now rock to the right, recover your weight as you make a quarter turn, into a half turn shuffle, step in front, step back. It's not particularly a lock shuffle, but we don't want to bring it to the side. So as you rock, recover, step in front, step back, weights on your right foot. Let's do it one more time with the count. You've just come out of your turning a hitch. We step back, 1, sweep, 2, 3 and 4, 5, recover, 6, turn, 7 and 8. Weights on that right foot. Now let's face our 9 o'clock direction. Again, this is where it's going to happen on wall number 1. You've just done your hitch around. Step back with a sweep, weave behind with your left foot, behind, side, cross. Side rock to the right, recover with the quarter, and a half shuffle back. What you'll find is you are now back at your original starting wall. Back to our 9 o'clock, let's do it with some counts. Right knee is up, stepping back to the sweep. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For the last section, you are back to your original wall, our 12 o'clock wall. We've just done a lock shuffle, slightly lock shuffle back, I should say, weights on the right foot. We're now going to rock back on your left, recover your weight onto your right forward. Non-turners would walk forward at this point here, left foot, right foot. However, the standard step is 2 half turns, over your right shoulder, you're back on your left, over your right shoulder, you're forward on your right. Out to the side, we do a side shuffle, stepping side together, side, and we finish up stepping the right foot behind and a quarter turn left, stepping the left foot forward. We're now at your 9 o'clock direction, ready to start again. Let's do it though with some counts. We're rocking back left for 1, recovered, 2, half, 3, half, 4, side shuffle, 5 and 6, behind quarter turn, 7, 8.